Welcome, traveler of the stars. Today we invite you to leave Earth behind and drift into the far reaches of our solar system, to witness a sunset like no other. Welcome to Saturn, the gas giant that has fascinated scientists and dreamers alike for centuries. As our journey begins, you find yourself aboard an advanced interstellar cruiser. The vastness of space surrounds you, black velvet pierced by starlight. Then, like a mythic god rising through the void, Saturn appears, massive, majestic, wrapped in its iconic rings glowing with a soft golden hue. It's the sixth planet from our sun, yet it feels like the centerpiece of the solar system's art gallery. Saturn is enormous, over 9 times the diameter of Earth, yet it is made mostly of gas. Beneath its swirling clouds lies no solid surface to stand on. But today, we imagine what it might feel like to float within its upper atmosphere, suspended safely by technology, gazing at one of the most surreal sunsets in the universe. But first, let's marvel at the rings. Saturn's rings extend more than 170,000 miles wide, yet they're no thicker than a few stories of a building. They appear solid from a distance, but up close they're made of billions of ice particles and fragments of rock. Some are no larger than grains of sand, others as big as mountains. These icy shards reflect sunlight like scattered diamonds. And as the sun begins to dip behind the horizon of this immense gas world, something magical happens. The golden light of the sun stretches across the top layers of Saturn's cloud bands. The ammonia haze begins to scatter the sunlight into soft blues and grays. As the light travels farther through the thickening atmosphere, it begins to bend, producing hues of deep orange and plum. The higher clouds catch the last bits of sunlight, turning into glowing filaments like the strokes of a cosmic paintbrush. Shadows from the rings begin to move across the planet's surface, vast, sweeping stripes of darkness against the glowing clouds. The rings themselves shimmer in the twilight, catching light at different angles. You see waves ripple through them, gravitational echoes caused by Saturn's moons tugging gently at the particles. You feel weightless, floating on a hovercraft suspended by magnetic fields, the atmosphere swirling below you like an ocean of color and movement. Above, the rings arc like celestial highways, grand, silent, eternal. But the beauty isn't just visual, it's scientific. The colors you see result from Rayleigh scattering, the same process that gives Earth its blue sky. However, Saturn's different atmospheric chemistry produces unique colors. Its clouds are made mostly of hydrogen, helium, ammonia, and traces of methane, each contributing to the spectral symphony of its sky. As the sun sinks lower, the temperature around you drops. Though you're insulated, the knowledge that just below lies a storm 3 times the size of Earth sends chills through you. Deep in Saturn's clouds are winds roaring at over 1,000 miles per hour. Below that, metallic hydrogen churns in layers we can only imagine. And then, the sun is gone. But Saturn's sky never turns black. Instead, it becomes a soft indigo with glimmers of light from its moons, more than 80 in total. Some, like Titan, are worlds in themselves. Titan orbits in the distance, its hazy atmosphere faintly glowing. Enceladus glints as it sprays water vapor from icy geysers hidden in shadow. Above, the rings begin to light up once more, this time reflecting starlight. They shimmer like delicate lace, moving imperceptibly but constantly. Saturn's magnetosphere occasionally causes auroras to flicker near the poles, blues and purples dancing in silence. But this vision may not last forever. Scientists believe that Saturn's rings are disappearing, pulled slowly into the planet by gravity in what's called ring rain. Over millions of years, they could vanish entirely, leaving behind only faint traces. This sunset you're witnessing is part of a temporary masterpiece, a cosmic artwork in slow decay. As your cruiser gently shifts, a final burst of light crests the horizon, what astronomers call the second glow, when light reflects off the rings and back onto the cloud tops. For a moment, Saturn's atmosphere is illuminated once again like a second, ghostly sunset. You stay still, mesmerized. This is a sunset that doesn't just end a day, it bends time and imagination. It reminds you of how vast, how strange, how impossibly beautiful our universe is. And as you drift away, your heart carries the memory of a sunset few will ever witness. A sunset not on Earth, not on Mars, but on the mighty ringed world of Saturn. This was your vacation on the rings. A journey beyond space. A dream woven from gas, ice, light, and the limitless power of imagination.